Good morning, children. Good morning, everyone. How are you? How are you today? Are you fine? I hope you all are great today. I hope you all are doing good. Show me your thumb. You're feeling happy? Yes? Show me your thumb. Yes, we are happy. I'm happy. Today is Monday. Today is Monday. And today we are going to do an exciting activity. Shall we start? Oh, but before starting, what should we do? What we have to do? Tell me. We have to sing our morning song. Right? Let's start. You have to sing the song, okay? I am going to perform the actions only. So are you ready? Ready? Let's start. You have to sing, okay? Today ma'am don't know the song. I forgot the song. You have to help me today. So can you help me? Do you help me? Yes? Okay. Oh wow, you all learned the song or morning song. You all did it very good. Thank you so much for helping me. Thank you so much. You know, helping others is a good habit. We should help others. Helping others is a very good habit. Is a very good habit. Okay, so always help others. And today's activity name is squeezing and releasing. Squeezing and releasing. So, first, see what we have here. I am having some color paper, some craft papers. You can take any color paper, okay? You can take any color paper. Here I am having some orange papers. And I am having two bowls. Here I am having two bowls. Okay. And I have a cloth pen. See. We all have these pens at our home. Okay. So today's activity name is squeezing and releasing. See. Releasing, squeezing. Here I am pressing the pin and it releases. See, I am pressing the pin and what it does? Releasing. And when I turn this pin and now when I am pressing, what is it doing? Squeezing. Squeezing. Okay. So from one pin we can perform squeezing and releasing. See, I have two pins here. Okay, ये हमने उल्टी रखी है और ये सीधी रखी है ना? So when we press the pin in this pin, when we press the pin, it is releasing, and when we press this pin, what is it is does? Squeezing, squeezing, squeezing. Okay, so we can perform squeezing and releasing with the same pin. Dear parents, this activity is included in our fine motor skills. Okay, from this activity, the kids will control over their or hand movements, on their finger movements. Squeezing and releasing, squeezing and releasing. It will help them to learn how to hold the pencil also. Okay, see how to hold the pencil. This activity can help them in learn how to hold the pencil also. Squeezing and releasing. So let's start our activity. First, what we have to do, what we have to our small kids to do, make a small paper ball. See, crush the paper. crush the paper and make small balls with the craft paper. See, this is my craft paper ball. Now, one more craft paper ball. Squeeze it. And yes, squeeze it. ऐसे आपको 10 to 15 squeeze करना है, okay? क्या करना है? Crush करना है paper को. Crush the paper and make 10 to 15 small craft paper balls. Now I have a bowl full of craft paper balls. Now splitting it on the table. Split all the paper craft ball on a table. Now we have to pick the craft paper ball with this pin and we have to put them in a second bowl, another bowl. Okay? Now see. Press the pin. See, the mouth is open. Now come near to the craft paper ball. And now release your hand. This. See, हमने पिन की हेल्प से कैसे स्क्वीज किया. And now we are going to release the ball in the ball. Okay. Now again press the pin and release. See. Now one more time. Press the pin. Open the mouth. Pick the craft paper ball. Come to the near to the bowl. And then again press and release. Okay. Now turn the pin. See, अभी हमने यहाँ से पकड़ी थी right side से. अब हम पिन को क्या कर लेंगे? उल्टा. Turn the pin. Now while we are pressing, see, press and pick the paper ball. Now come near to the ball and release the paper craft ball. Now you have to perform this activity until all the paper craft balls are under the bowl. So release, squeeze, release, squeeze, release, squeeze, release, squeeze, release, squeeze, release. Again turn the pin. Squeeze, release, squeeze, release, squeeze, release, squeeze, release, squeeze, release, squeeze, release. Now see, my craft paper, all my craft paper balls are in the bowl. Okay, so this is the activity for today. You have to perform this activity, make a video and post it in our group. Okay, so ये activity है हमारा आज का homework, छोटे छोटे kids के लिए, to our small little monkeys. Okay, thank you so much.